Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, we have hit 100 hours with the Kubota. So we're going to do a 100 hours review, and it's due for an oil change. It's first oil change. All right, stick around, check it out, and we'll talk about this bad boy. All right, Lawn Dogs, just to recap, it's a Kubota 60-inch deck Z781i. Okay, with a Kawasaki EFI motor, FX850V. This thing, first of all, let me tell you, it runs awesomely. Starts, no problems. No issues at all. It's a solid machine. I haven't had any hiccups with it yet. I know it's only 100 hours, but so far, I love it. Now, I am going to tell you about the things I wish was different on this thing. And you're going to see this over throughout this video. First thing, the gas tank. So, I wish the gas tank was just on the other side. And the reason I say that is because when I pull my tractor up on to my trailer, the gas tank's on the opposite side of my gas tank on my truck. So to fill it up, I gotta try to stretch the gas hose all the way over. When I know I need gas, I back the Kubota up onto the trailer so the gas tank's on the same side as the truck. But in most cases, I don't do that, and I pull this up there normally straight on, and the gas tank's on the wrong side. All my Toros, I don't have that problem with, so I like that. But that's minor. I mean, I deal with it, but it would be nice if this was on the other side. So, Lawn Dogs, the other issue I have with this Kubota is not the dial itself. I like the dial for the deck height, but if I set it for 3, which happens to be a common setting for me, and I hit bumps going up and down, it tends to shift. So sometimes I'm down to like right here, and I notice it when I'm done mowing that, because I hit bumps, this changes. This needs to, once I lower the deck, it locks, right? I can't turn it. But when the deck bumps, you can see when I hit bumps, how it kind of rotates. They need to stop it so when this goes up, because you hit a bump or something, or you raise it, this doesn't spin from vibration. But I like the dial. I like that dial. And the deck is sturdy, so that's a good thing, and that's a bad thing. All right, Morgan's making too much noise. me tell you about another thing here. This Kubota is very stiff. And what I mean by stiff is the property that I just mowed is very bumpy. And the thing likes to, it moves. It doesn't have very good shocks, let's say. However, the advantage is the seat. This seat is so damn comfortable. And it has the dial here for your weight to help adjust it. And I tell you that where it lacks in suspension, it is 100% perfect on seat. I think it makes up for it. So let me tell you about the things I do like about this Kubota. All right, let me turn this around. So, I like the foot pedal for the parking brake. Parking brake's right here. Right, parking brake's off, parking brake's on. Okay, raise the deck is all right here, which is nice. You set your dial to your deck height. You release it here, and it drops down. And then if you want it to raise up, you just lock it into place. That is awesome. That is awesome. That is one thing I like. PTO and all that's right here. It's all handy. I have no issues with it here starting or anything. Turn it on. Turn the key, it starts right up. You got the holder here with the outlet port, which I've never used. Over here, same thing, cup holder and other things. Then you can check between your fuel gauge and your percent there. Let's see if I get color. So we got the lights come on, service lights on because you need a oil change, which is good. But you can switch between your fuel and percentage of power and all that stuff here. It's kind of nice. So controls are nice and handy. Like I said before, the seat's comfortable. I don't know, not much more. I mean, that's the advanced shoe system, advanced shoe system, which I got, which is kind of nice to reach for it there. But yeah, those are nice things about it. It's sturdy. It's sturdy, and I don't know, man. It moves. I know it can haul, but I do recommend this. All in all, I would recommend this mower to people. I've never ridden any other commercial grade zero turns besides my Toros, which they're not really commercial grade. So I have nothing to compare it to. This is just my opinion at 100 hours of what I believe is nice and the things that I find kind of irritating on the Kubota. But I don't think it's a bad machine at all. Maybe when they come out with their next model, they fix those couple things that I mentioned. Hopefully they find them. And maybe there's something on here that I'm missing that I don't even know because I don't know. But anyway. So that's my take. 100-hour review of the Kubota. You have any questions, ask me, comment below, like, subscribe, and check out Mowers for Vets, mowersforvets.com. I'd appreciate that. But anyway, hey, always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out.